Real quick, guys, bonus. So, you know how I mentioned that I could not find the P1? Well, I just got back and they restocked, so I grabbed the P1. So now I officially have the full entire series, including the GT500. So like I said, guys, it's just a matter of time. So there we go. And I did pick up a 20 pack, guys. I am not a huge fan of doing that, but check this out. You have the Corvette exclusive in black. Got the Steelies, super clean. The gold Lamborghini Gallardo. Got the black Y5s all the way around. And you got the NSX in silver, which I don't have a silver one, I don't think. Coming across, you got the GTO in this beautiful blue metallic. Got the Plymouth. Got another Porsche 935, and tucked in right there, guys, is the black Honda Civic Type R. It is black on black. So if you guys remember, there was a prior release in black, but it had the red base. So there is this one with the red base, and the only thing I could find about this Civic was it was the 2018 prototype. Now, both packs did have the Type R's in it. There we go, another variation of the Civic that I did not have. It's new for 22, so this is probably going to be coming out on a card soon. But there you go, you got the yellow EV10, the Porsche. And check it out, we got another Chevy Volt. Haha, sweet. We just finished doing this unboxing from Rich, and I went to go check the mail, and we got a package from our man, Kingnut Diecast. And yes, all of this fell. It's really not stable, so I gotta find a better way to do this because they don't really interlock that well. So let's go ahead and open up what Kingnut sent. So now Kingnut said there is a custom from Kevin in here. Don't know what my man sent, but we're gonna go ahead and see, and there we go. Nice. Right off the bat, you have a Shelby Race Team 67 GT500. Look at this beautiful casting. Oh man, straight from M2's Ground Pounders. This is an awesome freaking cast right here. Look at that, Shelby Racing Team. Another banner that's going to go up on the little racing wall going down. So we will continue it, hopefully along the whole track. That is the goal. I think that'd be pretty sweet, but that is awesome, man. There we go. Set that off to the side. Let's see. This one is from Kevin Maas. Kevin Maas. I think it's this one. Let's see. Oh, came off. Ooh, but you got the number 22 on there. Nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is this? Oh, man, I always get super stoked over customs. Oh my God, look at this. Dude, that is super clean. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh man, that is nice. Look at that finish. It is so cold from the mailbox that it is literally picking up fingerprints, but oh my God, that is beautiful. Got the Pennzoil Deco Real Riders. Love the number 22 on there. You guys know I rock the 22 Joey Logano on my Mustang, but look at that color. Holy crap, that is nice. That is beautiful. Oh yeah, there you go. You got Joey Logano right there. Dude, that is freaking nice. Wow. Talk about awesome right here. All right, we gotta put this Vin Art custom work. Come on, this thing is like super staticky. Look at this. Oh man, I freaking love that. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Look at that, guys. That is a beautiful casting. Oh man, that is nice. Oh, Kevin, look at that. Uh-oh. What do we got here? Hope you don't have this one, but if you do, now you have two. Check this out, the 62 concept. I did not even know this was a thing. Look at that. You got the real riders on this beauty. It is a nice satin black finish. You have the red and silver stripes running down the side and through the center of the hood. Look at that beautiful car. Eric, man, you freaking rock. Look at that. I have not seen this. Kingnut finally got me something I don't have in the collection, guys. Yeah, I gotta make some room for this. So I got all my 62s up here. Got the one that Kingnut sent over a while back. There we go, nice. Dude, I know, craziness. All right, let's see. And then this one right here. Dude, that is clean. Oh man, that is a beautiful truck. There we go. You got Tony DeBerry, number 20's Hot Wheels race team circle trucker. Oh, that is nice. Ooh, that is a beautiful casting, man. Look at these. Kingnut, have I said I miss you? I definitely do, but oh man, dude, thank you so much for sending these. Got the beautiful 67 GT500, that awesome freaking custom from Kevin Maas. God, that is freaking beautiful. And then of course you got the circle trucker, which is probably gonna be a racetrack contender, and the 62 concept out of the Hot Wheels Garage Real Riders. Man, that is sweet, dude. All right, let's go ahead and move this box over here because we definitely need the room. But there we go, guys. Awesome freaking package from Kingnut. Beautiful custom of the Pennzoil 22 Joey Logano from Kevin. Absolutely love this color, man. That is just, wow. How he got that finish. Man, that looks good. I am digging that, man. You can't say that enough about it. Look at the finish. Just gorgeous. But there we go. And finishing off with the Shelby GT500. So there we go. Kingnut, huge thanks. Kevin, definitely a huge thanks for sending that beautiful custom. It is phenomenal. Of course, I love it, buddy. So that is all we got for this package, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course comment down below your thoughts of this beautiful 22. As always, until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.